With Rubbermaid Commercial Products professional glass cleaning solutions, it's never been easier to get crystal clear results every time. Start by removing obstacles and clearing large debris from the working area. Then, prepare your cleaning solution using the graduated fill lines inside the glass cleaning bucket. Just add water and the cleaning agent of your choice. Dip your microfiber washer into the soapy solution, then wring it out to reach your preferred saturation level. Starting at the top, place the washer on the glass. Using even pressure and completely covering the glass in cleaning solution, wash the glass to remove dirt on the surface. For stubborn grime, scrub the glass using the integrated scrubber on washer's edge. Use the glass scraper to remove tough grime or stuck-on messes and sticky residue from tape or stickers. Holding at a slight angle, gently press the blade against the surface and glide the scraper using smooth, even strokes. The scraper's ergonomic design gives you more control and can help reduce scraping mishaps. Next, grab your squeegee. While keeping the squeegee at a 20-degree angle to the glass, work in an S shape from top to bottom. Slightly overlap strokes to remove liquid from the surface. The squeegee has 2 pivot points to handle tight angles and tricky glass shapes. The adjustable rotating head locks in any vertical position from 0 to 45 degrees and in any horizontal position from 0 to 180 degrees. Finish by detailing with a hygiene microfiber glass cloth to dry the edges and absorb any remaining water. For taller windows, use a quick connect handle by first attaching the washer to scrub and wet the surface. Then swapping in the squeegee to finish the job. After your cleaning is complete, remove dirt and debris from your microfiber washer to ensure it's ready for your next clean. Start by unfastening the hook and loop patch. Then slide the microfiber sleeve off the T-bar. Wash in a standard laundry machine for a thorough cleaning. Routinely check the condition of your squeegee blade. When it's time for a replacement, simply unlock the latch on the back of the squeegee and remove the steel channel. Slide out the rubber blade and set aside. Insert the new replacement squeegee blade into the steel channel and make sure the flat edge is facing outward. Align the steel channel with the squeegee handle and lock the latch back into place, making sure the teeth on the underside of the latch grip the rubber blade securely. For a streak-free shine and professional results, trust Rubbermaid Commercial Products' full suite of glass cleaning solutions, designed to work together for efficient, consistent performance. To explore our complete assortment, visit rubbermaidcommercial.com.